Kitchen countertops are what we're talking about here. You're renovating your kitchen, you need to make sure, what am I putting on top of it? You may be thinking, oh, maybe I do real stone or I do a man-made stone. Well, I'm gonna ask you the first question. How are you using this kitchen? Is it function, form, or a combination of both? And I'm sure your answer is gonna be, it's a combination of both. It's gotta look gorgeous and function. How do we do that? So if we use a real stone, real marble, let's say, it's going to age, gray, discolor, scratch. You got it. You already know this, right? And with the man-made stones, mainly your quartzes, right? They look beautiful to some extent, right? They're not photographed with an actual photo of stone. They look kind of good and they're very, very durable. But today, we have some things that are elevated beyond that. So we can talk about a material that we're using a lot today called Dekton, D-E-K-T-O-N, by Constantino. Wonderful material, and I'll tell you why. It's actually higher compressed than quartz. So it's a layer of glass, it's a layer of porcelain, it's a layer of quartz, and a layer of real stone. And they crush it up, compress it, and then they take a photograph of actually the real stone, they put it on top, and voila! You have this gorgeous, almost indestructible material that doesn't stain, doesn't scratch, doesn't discoloration from the sun. And what I love the best, you can do integrated sinks. So this integrated sink, bar sink, is out of the same material. It's never gonna stain, it's never gonna look gray, it's never gonna get black in the corners. Dekton is the way to go for your countertops.